it on? Yeah. Is it recording? Sick. There it is. I did it. Just bump. Party like it.
He looked me in the eye.
Oh my. There you go, Josh. You're getting it. Keep her going. Stay focused. Yeah, dude, you just went really far. Oh. Let's go, brother. Oh. Finish it off strong. Oh, you just got sprayed by Dad.
Cook me off.
I want to learn how to do this first. Yeah, that's what I'm teaching him. That's what I'm teaching him right now.
Yeah, do that.
He's going back and forth. Go down the big mountain. I'm kind of pooping my pants back. Yep. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. How do I even explain this?
I don't know.
Okay, so I forgot my case. I just went snowboarding again. And the one that you saw was like a couple weeks ago. So I just got back from snowboarding and I got a new RAM.
What's it called?
G-Skill Neo.
G-Skill Neo.
Alright, we're gonna start once to C2. Phone's ringing. It's tickling my butt.
They do.
Fingers are raw.
Raw.
Raw. Don't touch. Don't touch.
Don't touch. Don't touch.
That's so sick, dude. Alright, so we also need to dust off my computer because since the first video on our YouTube channel, I haven't dusted it. So we're going to do that as well. So we'll see you guys when we get the computer over here.
It just slides off.
Oh, that's sick. Should I keep air dusting or should I do the RAM?
You dust.
Do the roar. Do the roar.
Dust the slots.
Do the roar.
Do the roar.
The roar?
It's a Shrek thing. I was already in the snow today, dude. It's too cold for me.
One click. 2 click. Boom.
Boom, bam, bop. Now we put her back.
Transit.
Present. Obviously, you can see we have made a change. It is moved, and it is finished. So, if you look at the monitors, this one's not on because we moved it. So, Josh wanted me to have it up here because the closer you are to the ground, the more dust you collect. So, he wanted it up here because it'll collect less dust, which is Gucci. So now I can look at it while I'm playing games, not distracting at all. But yeah, we finished the RAM and we moved it, and now we're tired. Mucho. Alright, well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure that you drop a like.
Don't forget to subscribe and turn on your push notifications. And if you didn't like the video,
Like it anyways, because we did it. And you saw me snowboarding. And you saw Josh snowboarding.
yeah,
Yeah.
I'm trash.
Yeah, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Run to 100, and then you guys get your montage.
Oh, it's looking so good. We gotta give them a sneak peek one time.
Why not? Hope you guys have a great rest of your day.
Peace.